Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Rapids Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rapids Wallet application on your device and then tap on Enter Wallet List option. If you haven't signed up to any wallet yet, you can log in or sign up from the main menu. Once you tap on your preferred wallet, you will be asked to provide your biometric or enter your password. After providing either one of these, you will be taken into your wallet page. Now, if you wish to view or see your wallet address so that you can share it with someone else, then tap on the Receive option at the bottom section. Once you tap on this, you will see your QR code, which you can share by taking a screenshot, and whoever scans this QR code will directly be able to send you funds. You can also tap on the Copy button, and this will copy your wallet address to your clipboard successfully. You can then simply paste this wherever you wish and share this with any user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your wallet address on Rapids Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.